In this video, I'll show you how to create a skin type quiz that recommends the right products based on the customer's answers. You'll learn how to assign variables and scores, show personalized results, and display fixed recommendations based on the skin type detected. Before you begin building your quiz, it's important to plan what you want to show at the end. For each skin type, dry, oily, combination, normal, or sensitive, write a short description and decide which products you want to recommend. These will be set up on the results page later, so it's good to have them ready. Next, let's build the quiz. Create a new quiz and add your questions. Check out our previous tutorial to learn how to use the quiz builder. Questions and choices should help determine the customer's skin condition. For example, how does your skin feel in the morning? How does your skin react to new products? Each question should give clues about their skin type. Now it's time to assign variables and scores to each choice. Click on a choice to open choice settings. Scroll to Scores and Calculations and create the first variable. Give it a score. For example, if a user says their skin is dry and flaky, a variable dry skin should receive a score of 1. If the user says their skin is balanced, a variable normal skin should receive a score of 1. Repeat this process for each choice in your quiz. In the end, the variable with the highest total score will be used to determine the result. Now let's edit the results page. Add 5 different sections, one for each skin type based on the table created earlier. In each section, add a heading, a short description, and a product block. In the product block settings, choose fixed recommendations and manually select the products that match that skin type. Now let's tell the app when to show each section. Click on each results section, go to Display Logic, and set this rule. Show this section if the variable with the highest score is dry skin. Make sure to set the default visibility to hidden, and repeat this for each skin type section using their corresponding variable. Once everything's set up, click Preview to test your quiz. Choose different answers to simulate different skin types, and make sure the correct section and products are shown on the results page. If you see the wrong result, double-check your variables and scoring. If you need help understanding the results, go to the Responses tab and open Analysis. This section explains which variables were scored during a quiz session. Shows the logic behind sections' visibility, or even gives you the option to ask Quiz Copilot to help analyze the response. You can then adjust scores or display logic accordingly. In Shopify, you can make the quiz appear as a pop-up by simply linking a button or menu item to #quiz. First, set the quiz as default. Go to Publish tab and check the Add the Quiz as a link-triggered pop-up option, and follow the steps to add the quiz to your website. Here's how to do it step by step. First, go to Online Store Themes. Under App Embeds, find the Link Pop-up Quiz option and make sure it's toggled on. This will load the quiz script and allow it to open in a pop-up when the link is clicked. Inside the theme editor, add a section like rich text that contains a button. Give it a heading and edit the button text. In the link field, type #quiz. Just that, not a full URL. Click Save. This link will open your store's default quiz in a pop-up. Your quiz is now live and accessible via a pop-up link on your site. And that's it. You've just created a skin type quiz with personalized product recommendations using RevenueHunt. You can find a ready-made template for this quiz in the app, so feel free to use it as a starting point and customize it as needed. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.